If you're searching for a dress watch that blends timeless Japanese craftsmanship with everyday practicality, Seiko has you covered. Today we're looking at the brand new Presage Classic Series SPB525 and SPB527, finished in stunning Ai-Iro blue, also known as Japan blue. These new models expand the classic series introduced last year. Both watches come in a 40.2mm stainless steel case with soft curved sides, a dual curved sapphire crystal, and a hard, scratch-resistant coating. They're water-resistant to 100 meters and feature a see-through caseback so you can admire the movement inside. The watches are paired with Seiko's supple 7-link stainless steel bracelet, alternating brushed and polished surfaces, and secured by a 3-fold clasp with push-button release, a subtle nod to 1970s styling. The SPB525 is the time and date version. Its textured dial, inspired by fine silk fabrics, shimmers in deep indigo under polished markers and hands. Meanwhile, the SPB527 features a semi-skeleton layout. A radial raw silk texture radiates from the center, with an open heart window at 9 o'clock showing the regulating organ, plus a 24-hour subdial at 6. Inside, the SPB525 is powered by the caliber 6R55 and the SPB527 by the 6R5J. Both beat at 3 Hz and deliver a robust 72-hour power reserve. With prices starting at €990 for the SPB525 and €1,230 for the SPB527. The new Ai-Iro blue editions of the Seiko Presage Classic Series offer refined textures, authentic Japanese color heritage, and everyday reliability, all without breaking the bank. What do you think of these new Presage models? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews.